What's going on, you guys? My name is Andy, and welcome back to the Crypto Lair. Today we'll be talking about Kodak's blockchain when they announced their move towards blockchain to help uh, fix the copyright issues of photographers and videographers. But we're going to start off by looking at the market cap today. So we are at 389 billion, so we're building right up to the 400 billion mark, which is a very good sign. I'm expecting this market to return back to normal after Lunar New Year's, which is February 16th. So yeah, I'll also be heading home around that time too as well because I celebrate Lunar New Year's as well. But market cap seems to be building up. We were about low 300s yesterday, but now we're at the high 300s. So let's just see what we're at the lowest today. The lowest today was 358. So I see that we'll probably be settling around 350 to 400. But I'm hoping to see this go back up to 500 billion market cap in the next couple weeks. I think that's possible. But let's start off by looking at Bitcoin's price. Bitcoin's price is about 8,200. Doing pretty good. At least it's staying above the 8,000 mark, which is very good. Because I bought some more Bitcoin actually when it was around 7,000, 6,000, 65, 7. It touched the low there. Let me see what the lowest was the past week. Yeah, let's go past week. So yeah, I bought more around like right here. So anything above the 8,000 mark is good support right here at the 8,000 mark. So let's take a look at other coins right now. Ethereum heading back up to 800, which is good after a record high of about what, $1,300-$1,200. So let's see, because it hit it like January 10th, I think that was on like January 10th. Yeah, we saw it rise really high before the crash or the pullback. But it's recovering pretty good, not as strong as Bitcoin is, but it's doing good. Ripple is up 76 cents. That's pretty crazy because this was really overvalued whenever it hit $3. Neo is back up to 111. I picked up some more Neo when it was down at $70 to $80. Dash is rising too. I have a lot in Dash. Wow, Tether seems to be going up. Tether has, I don't know, it has been a swing because that scandal is still going on. And I think the cause of this rise might be because Robinhood, whatever, they are planning to accept Tether exchange pairs. So that might be the lead in to the rise of Tether, but it should probably go back to one. Because if it was truly backed by the dollar, it would stay at $1. Binance Coin 853, doing all right. Wallen, wow, at 2270. It's about half of what it was a couple weeks ago. Gas is still the same, 4115. And yeah, let's see what the biggest gainers today are. See if there are any pump coins. This is probably a pump coin. See the volume. Anyone can manipulate the price if it's in the six figures scale. Like, it's really easy to manipulate. So these are probably all. I've been seeing this President Trump coin a lot actually. It's been going up and down. I've seen it one of the biggest gainers a couple times, but I'm not really sure what that's up to. Yeah, all right. Let's start talking about the Kodak. So on January 9th, Kodak announced that they were going to start a blockchain pivot. So like they're going to start releasing coins, start their own ICO. But that has seemed to change. That was just, I guess, all hype because according to this article on CoinDesk, I'll read it to you guys. One hedge fund manager isn't buying Kodak's blockchain pivot. In a research report released Wednesday, Carisdale Capital alleged Kodak's blockchain effort isn't genuine, going far as to call it the last-ditch stock promotion gambit for the companies hurtling towards bankruptcy. Kerrisdale holds a short position on Kodak stock and is known for giving strong opinions on public stocks that could move prices. So they're putting a short position, which is they're betting on the price going down. So if it goes down, then they get more money. But essentially, they're saying that Kodak pretty much just released this just to raise their stock because it's already a negative company. It's already going down, and Kodak's thought that this blockchain pivot was gonna improve their company and stocks, which it did. Don't get me wrong, their stocks went up 37% when they announced it, but are they still gonna hold their word to it? I don't know. I don't think so. Maybe not. So let me continue the article. As reported by CoinDesk, Kodak announced an initial coin offering on January 9th in an effort to apply blockchain technology to solve copyright issues faced by photographers. The news was followed by a 37% jump in the company's stock in a period of heightened performance. So they released this just well, as I see it, they just released this just to boost up their stocks because they're hurtling towards bankruptcy right now. So this was a last effort to save the company. So if this doesn't go through, then so will Kodak. However, in Wednesday's report, Kerrisdale Capital said its research led to believe that Kodak won't be able to compete with other blockchain startups because it's staring at the possibility of default and debt restructuring in the next 12 to 18 months. As such, the hedge fund agrees that Kodak lacks the technological capacity and the funding to realize its claimed KodakCoin technology and thus transact and store images over the blockchain. Addressing its separate plans to enter the mining market as well, the firm furthered its argument in a return of investment on Kodak's remain questionable. So they wanted to also mine their own coin as well, which I don't. If anything, I think they should just adopt a different coin, because some of the coins are already like in production. They already almost have a working product. So the smartest thing for Kodak, in my opinion, is for them to adopt a different coin instead of making their own, because if they can't handle their own blockchain technology, then how are they going to sustain it in the long run? So this is just news right now. Well, we're going to see what happens in the future with Kodak. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments or what do you think about this article, please put it down in the comments below.